The price per kilo of palay has become a focal point for both the National Food Authority or NFA and traders in Central Luzon. Currently, the price per kilo of palay in the market stands between 25 to 27 pesos, while the NFA offers 23 pesos per kilo, a slight increase from the previous rate of 19 pesos. Alwin Uy, the general manager of NFA Region 3, mentioned that although many farmers prefer selling palay to traders, the NFA is urging them to allocate at least 20 sacks of palay from today's harvest to agency. The NFA intends to purchase the rice at 23 pesos per kilo and subsequently sell it at 36 pesos. Is still considerably lower than the government price cap of 41 to 45 pesos.
Yung hinahabol ng mga traders natin para kumita yung mga kasamahan natin farmers. So bilang sana, bilang pasasalamat in return doon sa tulong ng gobyerno, nawa ay ma-realize ng ating pakiusap para sa mga farmers na magdala rin sila sa NFA para hindi naman nagiging kawawa yung ating mga consumers na makabili pa rin sila ng murang bigas. Una, hindi na nagbebenta dahil doon sa 11,203 ang NFA. So ito naman mangyayari doon sa pinamimigay na ayuda ng ating mga LGU para mas makasave yung gobyerno natin kung may murang bigas para sa LGU.
Looking ahead, the NFA is planning for the harvest season, aiming to secure the 5 million sacks of rice or at least 2.4 million sacks of palay by the end of November. These reserves are designated for aid distributed through various agencies, including the Department of Social Welfare and Development, local government units, Bureau of Jail Management and Phenology, and Armed Forces of the Philippines. The NFA hopes for the traders' understanding, emphasizing that with the 20 sacks of rice set aside for the NFA, many individuals, especially those affected by the typhoon and calamities, will benefit from this coordinated effort. Nestor Torres, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people. We give glory to God.